Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what are the expert advisors that you can't find in the market in MT4 or MT5. So for this one and this week, we are going to talk about the Dragon Expert Advisor. So for this expert advisor, actually you can go into their pricing sections and you will get a few plans that you can select. So I will strongly recommend you to select the free plan because you need to know how is the expert advisor perform before you really use your hard-earned money to purchase this. So you can try to download the Dragon Expert Advisor by clicking the link, and it will start downloading as a zip file. So you need to extract the zip file and put into your MT4 account. So when you open up the zip file, it's actually there's two content inside the zip file. One is their expert advisor and one is the manual file. If you click into the manual file, it's actually a very simple manual file that you can find. And it basically tells you what are the installation steps to put in the expert advisor into your MT4. Let's look at this manual. The starting capital is actually starting from 5,000 USD. Alright, so it's quite a huge start at the beginning, and I'm not really recommend you to put in 5,000 into this expert advisor, because when we think in the worst scenario and you lose this 5,000, it might be difficult for some people that have 5,000. The next one, it will be the three symbol or the three currency pairs that is recommended by the owner, and with the starting lot of 0.01, and you can put it at any time frame. So the lot rules over here is every time you gain a 100% growth, you should increase your lot size by 0.01. So from 5,000 to 10,000, you increase 0.01. 10,000 to 20,000, you increase by 0.01 as well, and go on all the way. So it recommends you to run this EA in the Sydney and Tokyo sessions, which means that Sydney or Tokyo market open. And for the aggressive trade, you can run this for 24 hours. So, and also advise you to withdraw your profit every day or every week. After return of investment, you can compound of every 100% growth. So basically the settings here, nothing much, right? You can choose your magic number, your lot size, your distance, take profit, your max level of margin tail. So we can know that this expert advisor is actually using a margin tail strategy. Okay, without further ado, let's go to the strategy tester. Here we are at the strategy tester with the expert advisor functions and with the Dragon Expert Advisor version 4.1, which we just downloaded just now. Over here, we will be looking at the currency pair of GBP USD. Alright, we go to select GBP USD, and it said there's any time frame, we'll just leave it at 1 hour time frame. For the spread, perhaps we can use the minimal spread if you are using the ECN account, and we choose the model as every tick. For the date, we will try the most recent date, which is fall on September, and let's see how does the expert advisor doing at that month. Click on the expert properties and we will see that there is their website and their email address. So the magic number, the lot size 0.01. So I should put my initial deposits at 5,000 USD with the positions to open long and short. And the distance pips, we just use it as a default setting. Just double click the reset to change it back to the default setting. Okay, everything is done. This is what their default setting, and we will try how does this expert advisor works. All right, I will just open up the visual mode so we can see how the expert advisor actually doing when we open up the EAs. All right, here we go. And the first one, I think they are open up two positions at the same time. They are open up buy positions and sell position at the same time. So this EAs is basically just giving you that, okay, so I open up two positions, whoever give me the most profit and I will stick with it. Whoever give me the lost positions, I will start margin tail it. So this is the strategy provided by this expert advisor. Let us speed up a little bit and see how it goes. So as you can see, the margin tail is keep increasing for the sell trade 0.3, 0.5, 0.08, 13. If you are going for the high risk or the high volatility, you might have a trouble for your money because it's really opened up a lot of trades and using sufficient numbers of lot size. So let's see how does this expert advisor react, and we will come back later. Now, when we look at the reports, it actually says that your net profit is negative $2,955.58. So the maximum drawdown you can expect is actually 7,711.01 cent, which means that if this 7,000 appear at your first trade, you probably will going to blow out your account of your 5,000 USD. So this is a very high risk expert advisor, and it involves a very huge initial deposit of you, and it doesn't really guarantee that you can actually profit it without hitting this amount of drawdown. Let us view again at their graph. When you can see it over here and your initial deposit was 5,000 at the beginning, and the drawdown is actually can go all the way down to 1,500 or somewhere equivalent to that value, which is somewhere around here. Oh, sorry, it could be 2,000. All right, and even though your balance is steadily going to the upward directions, but you can see that there's a huge size lot size is opening around this trade, and also this trade over here. So you can see the drawdown is actually quite significant, and you don't want that to happen at your huge amount of investment. At the very last, you see that it significantly dropped to 2,000 because it opened really maximum lot size that you can expect it. The result over here, you can see it's open somewhere about this date of 28th September around 12:23. So you have a huge drawdown and your account blow, and you get back 2,044. This is the default setting. Let us try to tweak it a little bit and see how it goes this time. Now we are trying to open up the time filter. At the beginning is false, so we put it as a true, which means that we are limiting the expert advisor to open up the trades. It advises to open at the Tokyo sessions. So my MT4 is IC markets, and it have +2 GMT on it. So the market opening sessions will be 1 a.m. until 10 a.m. in the morning. So once everything is set, you just go ahead. The rest of the expert advisor setting, I do not touch it. I'm just filtering the time. And we go again and see how it goes. Now, when we open up the time filter, The September result seems pretty well. So you have 1,500 of profit, which is somewhere around 20% return of investment that you can get. And the maximum drawdown is actually 2,800, which is quite well, which is if you get it at the very beginning of the trade, your 5,000 initial deposit is still able to hold it up for you. So applying the time filter actually give you a very good return of investment. As you can see it over here, the equity doesn't drop as crazy as the previous setting, so it gives you quite a steady move over throughout the whole month. Let's use this setting and try it out to test it for the January of 2020 to September of 2020. Now we have tested the expert advisor from January until September of 2020. However, the total net profit in negative 3,700 again. So, and you look at the graph, it goes steadily, and all of a sudden we have a huge drawdown over here. And the huge drawdown is actually costing you about $4,104. As a result, we can see the expert advisor start creating the trades in January, and it stopped at February of 3rd of February. So it doesn't survive even more than a month. In the nutshell, this expert advisor actually do offer a target equity for withdrawal. So if you have a target for a day, for example, you are going to take away $100 profit, just set this as a 5,100 and you're good to go to open up the expert advisor. So when it hit 5,100, it will automatically close your trades and also close the expert advisor. So you can secure your profits and withdraw it if necessary. I have made a very quick test to test out how stable is this expert advisor. From January of 2020 until September of 2020, the maximum drawdown for 0.01 lot is actually up to 100,000. So which means that you are expecting 100,000 of drawdown in your trading sessions. So in order to overcome this, you need to have 200,000 of capital to start this expert advisor, which is insane. Let's comment at the comment sections. Will you use this expert advisor for your trading sessions? Let us know. And if you are interested to this expert advisor, remember to go to their website and download it and try it yourself. If you like this video, remember to hit the like and subscribe at the bottom right corner, and remember to activate the notification bell icon so you will not miss any expert advisor review just like this one. I will see you in the next video.